Hello. Today I'll show you how to track HubSpot form tracking with customer data. So you can see this is my form and let's go to the Google Tag Manager account. You can see that is my fresh Google Tag Manager account. No tags, no triggers and no variables. So let's create. So first go to the tag and select new, then custom HTML. Here I will add my custom JavaScript code to track HubSpot form with customer data. Here is my code. Okay. Then select all pages. Now name is HTML tag. Okay, now save. So let's check on preview mode. Okay, it's connected. Now let's submit a form. Okay, you can see no event is still not fired. So now if I click to submit, the form is submitted, and you can see HubSpot form submission. It's event. It's coming. Now let's check. You can see here event with customer data like first name, last name, email, phone, everything. Now we can create easily variables like good. First, let's create a event triggers. Sorry, it's a custom event. So select the custom, paste the event, and name will be HubSpot. HubSpot trigger. HubSpot from trigger. Save and now select. Now create variables. Like customer data. Maximum time we need email and phone number for enhanced conversion tagging. That's why just we need to select email and phone. Okay. So data layer variables. Just add data layer. Okay. It will be only a hmm, DLP data layer variable customer email. Okay. Again, copy it for phone. This one. Paste here. Just the name. So phone. Done. Okay. Now let's check. Or if you want, we can create a Google Ads tag. So, or just checking. Okay. Just set up a Google Ads. Okay. Click the user data, user provided data for enhanced conversion tagging. So select email and phone number. Enhance conversion tagging. Enhance conversion tagging. Save now. Now add the trigger. Now Google Ads HubSpot home tracking tag. Okay. Let's check. Also, we need to add conversion linker. This one. Just always. Okay. Now let's check on preview mode. Okay, you can see the unknown tag type. So we need just refresh this page and connect again. It's connected, and you can see unknown tag type it's removed. So now submit, or you can change the name. Hmm. Still no event is coming and it's not fair. Now submit it and it's submitted, and you can see event it's coming and it also had goal tag also fire. So let's check in detail here first. You can see everything is showing perfectly. Now check on the Google Ads. It's also fired. And now let's check enhance conversion tagging. Select the values and you can see email and phone number showing perfectly. So that's it. Thank you. Thank you for showing this video.